Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Restart your phone and wait 30 seconds before turning it back on. That clears temporary software glitches and resets wireless radios. Open Settings and go to Connections, then Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Toggle Mobile Hotspot off and on to refresh the service. Set the hotspot band to 4 GHz if connected devices cannot see a 5 GHz signal nearby. Set hotspot timeout to 10 minutes and limit max connections to 10 devices for stable performance. Confirm mobile data is enabled and you have an active data plan. Open Settings and check data usage to verify you have remaining allowance. If the hotspot still fails, reset network settings to restore APN and Wi-Fi defaults. Go to General Management, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. Disable battery optimization for the hotspot app so Android will not stop tethering. Also turn off power saving mode and adaptive battery while testing the hotspot connection. Install any available system updates and then restart to apply firmware fixes. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to test if a third-party app is blocking tethering. Safe mode disables user apps and helps isolate the issue quickly. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset, which can take about 15 minutes to complete. You can also try USB tethering as a reliable alternative and contact your carrier if authorization or provisioning blocks the hotspot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.